Introducing the next-gen Freedom, Scrambler Ducati's latest innovation in the world of motorcycling. Meet the stars of the evening: Scrambler Ducati Icon, Full Throttle, and Nightshift. These motorcycles are more than just machines, they're a lifestyle. Customization is at the heart of the Land of Joy. Unveiled at the Tokyo launch event was a limited edition cover kit for the Icon version, designed by GOO CHOKI PAR, a renowned artistic collective. And it's not just about the bikes. Scrambler Ducati's fashion-forward approach was showcased in a fashion show, in collaboration with Japanese brand Beams. Rocco Canosa, head of Scrambler Ducati at Ducati Motor Holding, this new generation Scrambler Ducati offers 3 versions: Icon, Full Throttle, and Nightshift, each with a unique style. These motorcycles are more fun and safe than ever. With a lighter engine, enhanced clutch, ride-by-wire throttle management, and 2 riding modes, they deliver a thrilling riding experience. Customization is in the Scrambler DNA. The fuel tank's colored portion is easily replaceable, and Scrambler Ducati offers a palette of 9 vibrant colors. Plus, the limited edition cover kit by GOO CHOKI PAR lets you truly make your Scrambler your own. And let's not forget the Scrambler Ducati apparel. Our motorcycles aren't just a mode of transportation, they're a style statement. The Tokyo launch event was filled with joy, smiles, and conversation. It was a true celebration of the next-gen freedom that Scrambler Ducati represents. Join us on this journey of joy, freedom, and self-expression. Discover that next-gen freedom, the Scrambler Ducati way.